Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to discuss with you all about daily English vocabulary words. So let's begin. Number one word is incongruity. Number one word is incongruity. Incongruity spelling is what? I-N-C-O-N-G-R-U-I-T-Y. Incongruity. Incongruity means dissimilarity. Incongruity means what? Dissimilarity. What is meant by dissimilarity? Similarity means similar. Similar means same. Suppose if you have to use common word, this is same. Means it has this thing and that thing is same. Suppose if you have to compare between two things, then if you will tell, if suppose for example apples, this apple and that apple or both are similar, that's meaning is that same. That's meaning both have similarity. Both have similarity. So if you wanted to tell like opposite word, then dissimilarity you will tell. This is dis. Dissimilarity means what? Opposite of similarity. Similarity means same. Dissimilarity means not same. Dissimilarity means not same. So incongruity means what? Not same. Means dissimilarity. If suppose if anything or any place having a incongruity, we will use a English vocabulary word, that is incongruity, means dissimilarity. Generally you will use the common word in our daily life, that is dissimilarity. So instead of using dissimilarity, you are going to use this excellent English vocabulary word, that is incongruity. And the second English vocabulary word is profound. Profound. Profound spelling P-R-O-F-O-U-N-D. Profound. Profound meaning very intense or deep. Very intense or deep. Suppose if we will very intense meaning, that is deep. It is very deeply. Suppose this is very deeply connected, very inside, it's very profound, means very intense. Suppose if you have to tell, this is so deep, that's meaning is what? Profound. If you, this is a common word we are using in our daily life. Very intense or deep, these are the common words we are using. So instead of using a common word, we are going to use the vocabulary word, that is profound, that's meaning deep. And now, third English vocabulary word is rigor. Rigor. Spelling R-I-G-U-O-R. Rigor. Rigor means strictness. Rigor means strictness or hardness. So we almost, most of the people, we will use a common word, that is, suppose if we have to tell, this is very strict and it is very hard. Suppose these are the common words we will use in our daily life. Strictness, hardness, these are the common basic words we will use. So instead of using a common word, if you wanted to use a English vocabulary word, then you are going to use rigor, that's meaning strictness or hardness. So what are the words? Incongruity means dissimilarity, means which is not same. Profound means very intense or deep. Suppose if you have to tell it's so deep, then instead of using that common word, you are going to use profound. Now strictness or hardness. Suppose if you have to tell this is so strict or hard, then you are going to use rigor, that's meaning strictness or hardness. Number fourth word is deprivation. Deprivation. Spelling D-E-P-R-I-V-A-T-I-O-N. P-R-I-V-A-T-I-O-N. Deprivation. Deprivation meaning lack of something that is necessary. Lack of something necessary. Suppose if you need something which is very necessary if you need anything, then if there is a lack means you need anything that is which is necessary if not present. Means lacking means it is not meeting according to that requirement. Lack means not present. So meaning of deprivation means it's lacking something, like lack of something which is very necessary. So deprivation means lack of something necessary. Instead of telling like commonly like it's lack of something necessary, if we have to tell it is lacking something. If you have to tell this is the common word, common English words we will use in our daily life. If you wanted to use excellent English vocabulary word, then you are going to use deprivation. That's meaning lack of something necessary. And number 5th English vocabulary word is consent. Consent. Spelling C-O-N-S-E-N-T. Consent. Consent meaning permitting something. Permit something. This is the basic common word we will use. Consent means you are taking permission. You are taking permission from someone. Suppose from hospital we are getting permission, doctors will get permission from the patient to do some surgical treatment, or from in any office you are taking from the customers or anything, you are taking the permission from something. So if you have to use permit instead of using permitting something, you are going to use the word excellent English vocabulary word, that is consent. We have taken consent means we have taken permission from particular organization or institution or office, hospital, that can be anything. Using a basic common word permitting something, you are going to use a English vocabulary word, that is consent. Deprivation means lack of something necessary. Consent means permitting something. If you like my video and for more updates, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching guys.